Hey you guys, so this video definitely had some snafus. I was actually recording on my iPad and realized that when I started gluing the stones down that I deleted that part of the video by accident. So I'm just going to show you what we're using. I got all of my supplies from Michael's Arts and Crafts. These came from the scrapbooking aisle. The earrings came from the beauty supply store. These came from the scrapbooking aisle, and all of them are flat back. So I just encourage you to take the little, see the clear tabs on the back, take those off before you glue everything down. And that way, if you're selling your earrings, you don't have to worry about anything lifting up. Now, these are beautiful. These are like acrylic black flowers. My favorite glue is the Aleene's Tacky Glue. So if you watch my videos, then you know that that's my favorite. I don't use the E6000 or the Gorilla Glue anymore. The smell's just too loud. It stays in your house. It seems toxic. So I'm a fan of the Aleene's Tacky Glue, and you can get this from Dollar Tree. So I tend to buy a couple of those. And here I was just telling you, hey, I'm hurrying up and I'm coming, but actually this is about where the video cuts off, coming up soon. So I got the glue, and then what I did was, you're gonna see me pop up and hold the earrings up after I take all of the stones out of their packaging. So what I did, and I'll show you when I'm lifting this up, is see the black flower as it's coming up. I glued that to the center of the beauty supply store earring. I took one of those, glued each one, and then I took the faceted purple and blue kind of what is it called? I forget, like those candy paint colors, these, and then I glued 4 on each pair, so 2 large and then 2 like a smaller diameter. And then I took the pearls and I put 1 pearl on each side of the flower. So they came out beautiful. I don't know how I accidentally cut it out, but you can just see what the design at the end. You can screenshot it or stop the video and you'll see how I glued it down. Again, I have no idea how I accidentally deleted everything. So here I am, and I had to fight to get the earrings off of the card. That's probably how I ended up deleting everything. But anyway, I was fighting with those. So you'll see it pop up. I took these off camera, and I think when I went off camera was when I deleted it by accident. So look how beautiful they turned out. So that's just where I was trying to see what they were looking like. Here I'm trying them on, but you're gonna see a good idea at the end of what they turned out looking like. So be sure to make your own, glue them however you want, but these earrings to the beauty supply store are perfect blank canvases to make the most incredibly beautiful earrings, one-of-a-kind statement jewelry. Nobody is going to have what you have. And so I think I have 3 more pair that I'm going to be doing projects with, but just getting ready to try these on. This is where I'm fighting with the class. I'm like, oh my Lord, like what is really going on? And the earrings are still wet, but I wanted to hurry up and get this done. So probably because I was rushing was how we missed some of the DIY, but you're going to see the earrings. You can kind of get an idea. And also I didn't want this video to be so long, so it works out. So here we are look at them from the side. Hopefully you can see them really well. And I'm going to hold them up at the end, but look how beautiful they are. And they are lightweight. These earrings are super light. So you can wear them all the time. Your clients are going to love them. They came out to me really like classy. Like you can dress these up. You could wear these for formal. You could wear these to work. You could wear these active wear. I think they'll be perfect for a date night or a night out. So with your girlfriends. But anyway, I'm going to be making more of these. Stay tuned. We have more flat back cabochons. I think we're going to be using or doing something with a strawberry design coming up. I'm not sure yet. But God bless you guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. And give a thumbs up to the video, even though I cut out the crafting part. You all know bloopers happen, but we gotta go, and it's showbiz. The show must go on. But look how beautiful they are. So God bless you. I will see you on the next video, and I'll talk to you soon.